Oh, hello. I did not see you there. Our group is Avogadro, and today we're doing Cooking with Chemistry, and we're making chocolate molten lava cakes with ice cream. Let's get to it.
We are going to start with making ice cream. It takes a long time to freeze, so we're going to start by mixing the ingredients in the blender. We need 1 cup of whipping cream, 2 cups of half and half, 2/3 cups of sugar, a dash of salt, and a tablespoon of vanilla extract.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay, now that we have our mix, we're going to pour it into our frozen bowl ice cream maker. So there's a frozen bowl in here, and it freezes up our mixture until it is ice cream. Turn it on. And pour it in. You're gonna need to get a close-up of this, like look into it once I'm done. Now we're going to let this mix for 20 minutes until it is completely frozen.
To make successful ice cream, it helps if you understand the chemistry of how and why each ingredient is important. The ice cream is a foam and that is stabilized by freezing much of the liquid. In its frozen state, ice cream is made up of some liquids containing dissolved salts, sugars, suspended milk proteins, and milk fats. 2 important aspects of the freezing process that also affect the final texture of your ice cream are the number of size of ice crystals and the amount of air incorporated during the freezing.
So essentially, we are trying to get our mixture to reach its heat of fusion, so it will fuse and become a solid. And we do this with an exothermic reaction because it will release heat and go into the frozen bowl. And then we'll have our ice cream.
Now we're making molten lava cakes, melted chocolate.
Now we are preheating the oven to 450, which is a form of convection.
Convection.
So, while we're making our ice cream, we're going to start making our molten lava cakes. We have 10 tablespoons of butter in our pot, and we're going to pour in 5 ounces of chocolate and melt them together.
Now you can. We're melting chocolate through conduction, which is heat transferred by direct contact. This is known as conduction.
Conduction.
Conduction!
Next, we take 3 egg yolks and 3 eggs and pour them into a big mixing bowl.
Yeah, she didn't answer.
We also add 1.5 cups of powdered sugar.
She said she would be there at 5:30.
Oh yeah, no, and it's not dinner.
We whisk. Now that our chocolate has cooled off after we finish melting it, we're going to pour it in with our eggs and powdered sugar. We'll cut some of that out. Stir it all up. And finally we add a 1/2 cup of flour. We're going to use Pam to make sure that the molten lava cakes don't stick too much to the bowls. We have just finished pouring our molten lava cakes, and our oven is completely heated up to 450 degrees. So we are going to put them in for 11 to 14 minutes.
Doer.
For our molten lava cakes, we added just a little bit of flour because flour acts as a binder, and so only the outside of our molten lava cakes needed to be binded, and the inside is still liquidy. So yeah, when we put it into the oven and it's heated, it binds with the other ingredients and makes the molten lava cakes.
We cooked our molten lava cakes on glass because they have a low specific heat capacity of 0.2. Therefore, they heat up faster and cool down faster.
Our molten lava cakes are done. So, we'll pull them out of the oven. We have to let them cool down some before we can eat them. And that is that.